Well, let's talk about distributing the photos over media sharing websites. Once you have your photos taken, you now have to decide how you're going to distribute them. Not only will you have the MLS to send them to, but there are many media sharing services that you'll want to send them to as well. Sellers will benefit from having their home showcased at as many different venues as possible. That's why we need to look at going above and beyond the typical MLS distribution. There are many different places to showcase your listings to the seller's benefit. Let's take a look at a few. 1. Your website. Your website should be what I call the mothership, where all your listings and information can be found. In addition, links to your other media, such as your blog sites and other social networking sites. Most agents will use their website for the featured listings. Featured listings can be shown in a slideshow format, showing all of the normal exterior and interior shots of the home. Having slideshows also makes the website more interesting to the buyer as well. Number 2, your blog site. Most agents are now looking at creating their websites from the blog site backbone or architecture. The reason for this is that the blog sites are read and re-indexed by the search engines exponentially faster than the typical website itself. Like websites, blog sites can have any number of photos embedded into their pages. Many IDX systems can also add in multiple featured listings as thumbnails that, when clicked on, will play the photos in a multimedia manner. Number 3, your social networking sites. Many people forget that their social networking sites that they use every day can also download and display photos as well as text, audio, and even video. The ambitious agent will create either a group page in Facebook or a business page in LinkedIn. Both of these types of pages will allow the agent to create a featured listings page to showcase their listings. Number 4, social media sites. Social media sites like Flickr have the capacity to not only store for searching your photos, but will create databases for the world to see as well. Here's another idea. I've been using PicPlease. That's P-I-C-P-L-Z. And it's one of those tools that I love. Also, I've also used TwitPic when it just was coming out. Now look at where it is. PicPlease is a simple smartphone app that allows you to take quick shots, share your location, pick an effect, and syndicate to your PicPlease profile, Twitter, and Facebook, all within seconds. No more taking a picture, telling it where to be shared to, out of a list of options, and waiting for your network to catch up. What I especially like about this service is not only its speed, but because it offers you options for your location to post rather than making you type it in. Also, you can preview the photo effect after you take the photo, whereas its competitors mostly make you pick the effect first and then shoot. But how do you know which effect will look good? And did I mention that your PicPlease photo page is beautiful? It has become a de facto social network with people looking at their friends' photos and commenting. It even gives you some basic stats like how many views each image has had. If you have existing pictures you want to share, you can also download directly from the PicPlease site and add effects. Fantastic! Here are some real great real estate uses in specific. Taking photos of neighborhoods you specialize in or houses you're touring and homes you've listed make for great blog fodder. post them via PicPlease, and they go to your Twitter and Facebook with a status update that you type out later. And then you can pull these pictures from your PicPlease profile and use them in your blog. I think the best use for them in real estate is to tell the story of your area of expertise before and after pictures of rehabs or foreclosures, pictures of your listings, a day tour of specific types of architecture, or a sneak peek into your office life all provide an interesting narrative. How will you tell your story in a way that consumers will feel engaged rather than simply posting listings or blogging about stupid non-real estate stuff like how to grow green vegetables? Well, PicPlease gives you the advantage of telling a story of your listings, your life, and your business. You can show people what life is like around you as a means of a conversation starter and to give your networks something to relate to. Just taking good photos is not enough, as the best photos in the world will not be any good if nobody knows about them. While an agent's mothership is their website, it must lead to other marketing sources such as Facebook, Twitter, and others.